Hi everybody, welcome to Jazzing It Up with Jasmine. I'm your host, Jasmine Nicole. Today I'm doing a patio renovation, but I'm only going to show you probably my big circular table with the 4 chairs. I also did some small little tables as well. So strap up, let's get ready for this ride. Let's do it. Welcome back everybody, and shazam! I am finished, so you can see the finished product. Thank you. So basically I painted the table. So I painted the bases of the chairs and the table. I had to cut the wood for the bases, and I also reupholstered, and I put a nice pretty vinyl that goes with my color scheme for this patio, so that way in the Louisiana summers and with the rain, you know, things can sit out here. Even if people come and spill things, you just wipe it on off. You don't have to worry about anything no more. Thank you for taking this ride with me, guys, and I will see you on the next episode of Jazzing It Up with Jasmine Nicole. See ya. Bye.